दोस्तों, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको SOC101 की असाइनमेंट नंबर 1 का सॉल्यूशन करवाऊंगा। और अगर आपको किसी भी हवाले से कोई भी कंफ्यूजन हो तो आप मेरे से डायरेक्ट इंस्टाग्राम में पूछ सकते हैं। इंस्टाग्राम का लिंक मैंने वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया हुआ है, और अगर आपको इसकी फ़ाइल चाहिए हो तो वो भी आप मेरे से मांग सकते हैं। तो आइए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। जैसा कि आप अपनी स्क्रीन में देख सकते हैं, SOC101 के असाइनमेंट नंबर 1 आपके सामने है। सबसे पहले असाइनमेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव। अपॉन completion of this assignment, the students will be able to understand the contribution of sociologists in the development of society. Again, background. Sociology is a scientific study of human social life, groups and societies. Sociologists study the different aspects of society and the role of human beings in society. The scope of psychology begins with the connection between human beings and society and expands further towards the social institutions that impact our lives and the factors that dominate the proper functioning of this institution. It sets out to explain how human beings have constructed these institutions, how they perceive them, and the role they play in our lives. Thus, psychologists contribute and work as professionals in different departments and segments of society. आगे क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है उन्होंने। Following is given a case study explaining the prospective role of psychologists. Read it carefully and identify any 10 careers for psychology students in the given format. University of Multan has organized an orientation session for BS students who wanted to OPT psychology as an undergraduate program. Different professors and head of the department gave the brief introduction about the university and department. Head of the department, MS ABC, discussed about the scope of psychology to enhance the students' interest. She said that the Pakistani society has become prone to diversified social problems for which social scientists are coming up with appropriate scientific skills to address the social pathologies. Being a social researchers, the academic and social worker, there is a dire need of such skilled social scientists, psychologists to fill in the vacuum of society and to come up with the social politics to address the temporary problems. It is well established fact that after completion of psychology degree, the graduates can participate in nation building activities. The graduates of psychology are actively involved in development activities in various roles such as social mobilizer, rural development officer, population planning officer, rural health planner, environmental analyst and community डेवलपमेंट ऑफिसर। दोस्तों इसका ही आगे क्वेश्चन है और इसका ही आगे पार्ट है। द एकेडमिक डिपार्टमेंट्स इनेबल द स्टूडेंट्स टू कंट्रीब्यूट इफेक्टिवली इन प्रिजन एंड correctional service as parole officer, rehabilitation counselor and probation officer. Moreover, Punjab Public Service PPSC and Federal Public Service Commission periodically invites applications from the graduates for the position of social welfare officer, monitoring and evaluation officer, demographer, as well as lecture for appointments across province and country. And at the end of orientation session, Mr. ABC wished a good luck to all new students and encourage them to actively participate in all activities of the semester. का सॉल्यूशन इन्होंने दिया हुआ है। सोशल वेलफेयर ऑफिसर पहला है, आगे मॉनिटरिंग एंड एवोल्यूशन ऑफिसर, डेमोग्राफर, लेक्चर्स, पैरोल ऑफिसर, रिहेबिलिटेशन counselor, probation officer, social mobilizer, rural development officer, population planning officer, rural health planner, environmental analyst, community development officer, social researcher, the academician, social worker। ये इन्होंने 16 मेंशन किए हैं आपके। No, again, note you have to write just 10 careers from these 16. इसमें से आपने कोई भी 10 लिखने हैं। आगे है मार्किंग स्कीम, 2 marks of identification of career। आगे आप ये देख लें। नोट आप इनका स्क्रीनशॉट लेके हमें सही से पढ़ सकते हैं। तो दोस्तों ये थी आज की वीडियो SOC101 का असाइनमेंट नंबर 1 की वीडियो थी। उम्मीद होगी कि आपको ये वीडियो बहुत ही अच्छी लगी होगी। अल्लाह।